Oh. What is this? You seem really good at this game. Whoa! How the hell you do this? How your wrist not broken right now? How is it not breaking off and falling on the floor? Man, you have a 91. You have fucking god tier act. This is so impressive! Oh my god! Please give me an autograph. Oh, there's the damn snake again. How'd you hit it so well? You like got a you got a 90 through that part. Oh, another one. You're so good at this. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is like a new high score on this map. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so ass at the game. Give up, holy shit.